Okay, so what the market is doing today is a possible bear trap, which could trigger another bullish rally. Remember, in the absence of technical evidence showing a top signal, the price is bound to continue rising. So let's see what to expect next from our stocks. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, professional trader. I'm here to help you to become a consistently profitable trader. Our trading methodology is so good that we're gonna give you 7 days for free just to test our service. No strings attached. Our trading methodology is solid. Our track record is incredible. The rest is up to you. See if you have what it takes to join the 5% project. The QR code's right here in the left corner of your screen and of course in the fixed comment below. Now, as we can see here, SPY's trying to frustrate yesterday's bearish reaction. You may say, but Nathan, yesterday we went up, right? Yes, we did. However, the candlestick was quite bearish. It looks like a shooting star candlestick pattern, right? However, today we failed to trigger the stop signal, meaning we failed to trade to close below yesterday's low. Therefore, it failed to trigger a crystal clear top signal, suggesting a possible pullback, a possible correction. Now, of course, this bearish reaction wasn't completely rejected yet. In order to actually confirm a bear trap, in order to actually reject completely this bearish reaction, we gotta see SPY breaking and closing above yesterday's high. Only then we're gonna see a real bearish frustration, and then our next technical target will be the all-time high, $524. So far, we have yet to confirm this bullish thesis, but in the lack of a top signal confirmed, we can't say that SPY is going to drop either. Right now, apparently, we are just moving sideways over here inside a short-term congestion before we could resume the mid-term bullish rally or reverse the rally over here and trigger a sharper correction, maybe to the 21 EMA on the daily chart. That's a quite possible and realistic support level to work with. The QQQ shares a similar chart structure. We have yet to reject yesterday's high, and if we see a top signal, if we see a bearish reaction confirmed, okay, then I believe QQQ is going to correct all the way down to $432. So far, so good. The situation is still under control. The bullish bias still persists. However, we gotta break and close above yesterday's high in order to confirm a real bearish rejection over here. So far, okay. The situation is indeed under control, but we have yet to break a few important resistance levels, and how this is gonna affect our stocks if we don't see a real bearish frustration on SPY, on QQQ. Tesla is not gonna go up, alright? Maybe it will, but probably the momentum is not gonna be strong enough for us to actually break our main resistance area between 184, between 186. This key point over here is our nemesis. Only by breaking the 186 resistance area, we could see Tesla actually confirming a more robust bullish reaction, and in this scenario we could see higher resistance levels, maybe the 206, because we still have to close this gap over here, alright? So only in this scenario, only if we see the indices triggering their bearish rejections structures, we could see Tesla actually going up. Right now, we see a promising signal. We see Tesla making a bullish reaction right above the 21 EMA on the daily chart. Good. It is very good. But just as for the indices, maybe it is not gonna be enough. If you ask me, in my humble opinion, I believe that the odds favor the bulls over here in this scenario because we are still in bullish territory. The indices are still bullish. Tesla is still bullish. We are still above the 21 EMA on the daily chart. So we are still in bullish territory. In theory, it is easy to persist the previous momentum than actually reverse it, but we gotta keep our eyes open because if we lose this 21 EMA, if we make a real bearish reaction over here, and if the indices fail to reject yesterday's bearish reaction, then okay, then I believe Tesla is going to reverse this bullish bias over here and probably seek lower levels. So far, there is no bullish reaction materialized yet, but this is a promising one, all right? I do agree, it is a promising one. Of course, it is not as good as Nvidia, because Nvidia is looking just incredible. We are not only above, clearly above the 21 EMA, but we are making higher highs, higher lows, breaking previous resistance levels, and right now apparently the previous top level, $888, is acting as a support level for us over here, reinforcing even more the bullish sentiment on Nvidia. If you ask me, Nathan, what could possibly convince you that Nvidia is going to reverse its bullish bias? First thing, it has to lose 888, the $888 support area, and then we'll talk. All right, right now we are still in bullish territory, and just like Tesla could easily retest its next resistance area around the 206, Nvidia could easily retest its own next resistance level, which is the all-time high, $974. I don't know why it's $73 over here, I'm so sorry. 974, that's our next major resistance level on Nvidia. It is the all-time high. Just like the indices that are about to retest their own all-time highs as well, we see Nvidia flying, exploding, clearly bullish. If we see pullback, okay, maybe a pullback to the 21 EMA, maybe to the $841 again could be plausible, technically acceptable, but since Nvidia is still very bullish, if you ask me, any pullback would be just another buying opportunity. And right now, just like Tesla is still in bullish territory, making a pullback to the 21 EMA, trying to make a bottom signal, if Nvidia makes a similar chart structure, I will consider it just another buying opportunity. Right now, let's keep our eyes open on Tesla over here, which is right around a support level. The risk-reward ratio looks quite good, quite attractive over here, and I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day in this channel. So consider subscribing, click the like button to support me. Thank you very much for your audience. Stay safe. See you guys tomorrow.